In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grow your circle. So community in 2025 with a step-by-step guide. Whether you're just getting started or looking to expand your existing community, these steps will provide you with a comprehensive roadmap to fostering engagement and growth. First, let's navigate to the Invite Members feature. It's a simple yet effective way to expand your community. On the left sidebar, you'll find a tab called Members. Click on it and then select Invite Members. This feature allows you to add new people either by directly entering their emails or by generating invite links. Sending out these invites can be a great way to start growing your community, so don't hesitate to reach out to people who might benefit from joining your space. Next, focus on creating valuable spaces and content. Click on the Spaces tab and choose Create Space. You'll want to select the type of space you want to create, such as post, course, or chat, and then enter a name. This is where you'll build the heart of your community, so consider what will be most engaging for your audience. Once your space is set up, you can add vibrant content like text, images, PDFs, or videos. Click Create to get started, and remember to continually add fresh content to keep your members engaged. Engagement is key to growth, so make sure to actively interact with your members in your selected space, respond to comments, and start discussions to foster a sense of community. Additionally, creating polls or forms is another excellent way to engage your members. Use the plus button to add a form or poll, selecting the desired fields before publishing. This not only invites interaction, but helps you gather useful feedback about what's working in your community and what might need improvement. Another fantastic way to engage and grow your community is through hosting events or live streams. Go to the Spaces tab, select your space, and create an event. Enter the title, date, and time, specifying it as a live event if needed. At the scheduled event time, begin by clicking Start Event, allowing camera and mic access to go live. This real-time interaction can tremendously boost engagement and foster a deeper connection with your members. To spice things up, consider implementing gamification techniques by going into your settings and choosing the gamification option. Here, you can set up points for actions, create badges, and enable a leaderboard to motivate your members and make participation more fun. After setting everything, don't forget to save your changes. Marketing your community is equally important. Share invite links on your website, social media, or through email campaigns. If you have paid spaces, navigate to Settings, then Payments and Plans to copy the link for the